Hey everyone! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Motosierra Electrica Batería Review. Number 4. The CCI 12-inch brushless cordless chainsaw is a robust electric saw ideal for wood cutting, garden pruning, and other landscaping tasks. Designed for compatibility with Makita 18V batteries, this tool provides powerful, precise performance in a portable format, making it suitable for both professional and DIY outdoor projects. Number 3. Description: Product's description, made of fine quality material, practical, easy to operate and use, wide application range, has a long service life, material, ABS metal, plug, US, color, blue, battery, 2 lithium battery, 21V, 1200 mAh, included, power, 550W, guide plate length, 4 inch. Number 2. The CCI 8-inch brushless electric chainsaw is a compact, cordless wood-cutting tool compatible with Makita 18V batteries. Ideal for pruning and garden maintenance, this mini chainsaw provides powerful, efficient cutting with its brushless motor, making it perfect for precise, convenient trimming in various outdoor projects. Number 1. The average 8-inch 21V mini chainsaw is a powerful brushless electric pruning saw designed for efficient cutting in gardening and tree maintenance. Equipped with a 4-hour rechargeable battery, this cordless chainsaw offers portability and high performance, making it an ideal choice for precise, hassle-free pruning and trimming tasks. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.